Right at the fork.
Welcome back. We are in Bozeman, Montana. Just got off of I-90 and we are driving to West Yellowstone, Montana.
Continue on US 191 south for 9 miles.
And I think we're going to try and get us RV spot there tonight. I've never camped there before. I've only stayed in hotels. So it's Wednesday night. It's got to be possible, I would think. I hope. I mean, we'll find out. So this might be just a Bozeman drive. We'll see how long it takes to drive through. It's 1 p.m. now. They have some really nice architecture here on their new construction. I guess when the land is so cheap, you could afford to make it look pretty. Yeah, looks like we'll go right through downtown. That'll be awesome. 25. There's the architect's place right there. Middle lane. Oh yeah, this looks really neat so far from what I've seen so far. Ooh, I'm gonna have people turning left potentially. I might want to get out of this lane. I didn't even think of that. They have no turn lanes. Let's get out of this lane. There's a Mr. FedEx truck up ahead. It hopefully will be gone. Oh yeah, they have all kinds of cool restaurants with outside seating. There's the Lapa Grill Soup Shack. It's a bottle shop. Shine, it's Shine Beer Sanctuary. That place looks really fun. There's a front patio and an upper deck on top of the building. Looks really neat. Bridger Bowl, 16 miles. That's a ski place, I believe. I think it's pretty nice too, if I remember. Alright, Mr. FedEx is still blocking the road. Yeah, this is super neat. I want to come back here, find a place to camp close by. You could spend all day walking around town and not see everything. A ton of shops and stores and restaurants. This could be the coolest town in Montana as far as the location and what it has. It's really neat. It's big. Hotel Baxter. Attention to the road. Oh, that car's sticking way out. Yeah, this is a restaurant beer paradise for sure. Oh, it is lunchtime. It's 1 o'clock. Everyone's eating. I need to see Helena. I don't know if I've ever been there. That's where the state capitol is. Oh, there's a Gallatin History Museum. I think this is in Gallatin County. Maybe that's why it sounds familiar. Definitely looks like a paradise. 79 right now. Alright, this is probably why Miss Google Maps was not taking me this way, besides being a little farther. But I like seeing the cities like this. Oh, actually, this is a town. Looks like we're getting into suburban sprawl now. Yeah, that downtown looks super nice though. Had some historic stuff and some modern, it looked like, all mixed in together. Wow, there's a food truck called Mountain Berry Bowls, and it was really neat. The whole back opened and the side, usually just the side opens. Red Tractor Pizza, oh my god, that looks awesome. I want some. Alright, Bozeman might be my new favorite town. I like the location, and I like the town. I could deal with winters. I like winters. And you can leave during the winter if you have an RV or a truck with a tent. You don't have to stay here. And housing's gotta be cheap. I would know, compared to Washington, it has to be. Probably get a nice house for $250,000, $300,000 here, I hope. If you can't, then that's crazy. Oh my gosh, this Solomon outdoor store to my left has some really cool kayaks and rafts. It looks like they sell. The kayak one was huge. It's a blow up. Like you can do rapids with that, it looks like. Ah, they got Safeway. Be nice to take a shower tonight if I get a campground spot. I think we're headed out of town now once we go around this corner. There's a long line. So yeah, we will end this video shortly. Looks like it'll be 12-15 minute Bozeman tour video, which is perfect. Gas truck in front of me. Oh, it goes on for a while yet, it looks like. it's good to see life returning back to normal. Everyone's out enjoying themselves. We're not all isolated and shut inside. I think I only gained 5 pounds the last year, which I'm happy with that considering what we went through. I mean, I want to lose it now. That's why I'm eating. I think I'm eating really good on this trip so far. Montana State University, Bozeman. Ah, there's a big old cinema, Barnes. Oh, it's the mall, Barnes and Noble, and it's open. The mall is open. It's a nice area, all kinds of commercial development. Get whatever you want. Hardware. It's a nice one. Really nice. Big Sky, 39 miles. I think that'll be where we start when we start this next video. That's where we will head to. Bozeman to Big Sky. This drive is gonna be pretty. Happy to get out of this traffic though. I haven't had traffic since I left Seattle. Like even driving through Spokane wasn't bad. Wow, the views are just amazing. Look around at the mountains. Oh wow, here's a place called The Market. Oh, I think that's their public market. It has a Nordic Brewworks, Tanglewood Grill and Tap. That looks awesome. I wish I would have seen that sooner. I would have stopped there. It reminds me of the Point Ruston public market in Tacoma, Washington. Wow, it looked really neat. Oh, we got a car over in our blind spot. Truck or whatever it is actually going faster than all the cars in the left lane, so I'm gonna get over. This might be the last stoplight. We're on US Highway 191. Oh, this is a propane truck, I think. Not really sure. Can't tell. It's a gas truck. It's a different one. There's a nice Chevrolet dealership. Wow. It's huge. They actually have trucks there for sale. Oh man. Lots of trucks. I'm not used to seeing any trucks at the Washington ones. Like people buy them so quick. called the Barn. So we're gonna go left in 2 miles. We'll have to get over. So I think we're still in Bozeman, technically. Still see a lot of sprawl. Yeah, we have 2 miles. We go south. So we're actually driving west right now. Yeah, I'm sure if you live in Bozeman, this is still considered Bozeman. Housing community to the right. Houses look really interesting. There's been a lot of traffic on this road. I hope it's not all going to Yellowstone. Better get over. We have less than a mile and we are going south. Looks like I got a bug splatter to take care of and let it dry. Half a mile. Next light, we turn left. Oh, the gas truck is going left too. That sucks. I was hoping not to follow him. Maybe he's going to one of these gas stations. If we're lucky. But as soon as we make this corner, I'm gonna end this video. Actually, I'm gonna end it now because I don't think anyone wants to sit here and just watch this. So thanks for watching the tour of Bozeman and the Bozeman suburbs.